Hello, welcome to the Cloud and Data Science channel. In this video, we are going to see what are the top 5 IT skills in IT industry to get job in 2021. These skills are based on my point of view, based on the current trend and the needs of the business, various domain industries. These skills are not given in any order. Let us see those skills. First one is Python. Python is open source software by Python Software Foundation. It is easy to learn quickly and precise. For example, if we give the input print hello world, it will give the output hello world on the screen. Python code does not need to compile as required for other languages. In case of the Java, we need to compile a class file, but that is not required in case of the Python. Python is scripting and object-oriented language. In case of the Python, either we can write simple script or we can create objects and classes similar to the other object-oriented languages like C++ and Java. Now let us see what are various use cases using this Python. Using the Python language, we can develop the web applications. Python is used in data engineering for building the various data pipelines. Python is used in data science and machine learning applications. Python is used for web scraping to compare various prices on various websites, for sports players, and also for analytics on the YouTube. Python is used for automation of the various repeatable tasks in various computer applications. It provides various freelancing opportunities while studying itself before completing college degree. Once people obtain Python skill, they can apply for various roles like data engineer, data scientist, like Python developer. Next skill is SQL, structured query language. It is used to access data on a web or to store the data on database. It is used for the data analysis in various analytical applications. It is used to publish the reports. It is used for the transaction processing like adding, updating or deleting. It is used everywhere. For example, whenever we place an order on the online portal, then that order will be stored in the database. That is nothing but add an item to the database or add an order to the database. Similarly, whenever we cancel the order, that will be deleted from the database. Similarly, whenever we the order is shipped to the customer, then the status will be updated in the database. So SQL is used in almost all applications in software systems. It is one of the top demanding skill. It is once people obtain SQL, then they can work in any data science or machine learning applications or data engineering applications. Now, next one is artificial intelligence. It is one of the top demanding next generation technology in 2021. Artificial intelligence comprises of various branches. One is probability and statistics. This is the foundation of the data science. For example, to predict the COVID spread or any other disease prediction, various statistical techniques are applied. Reinforcement learning is part of the artificial intelligence. For example, self-driving cars is one of the application of the reinforcement learning. In case of the RL, a agent is trained by giving some commands, and on each action, an agent gets reward as a feedback. Using these feedbacks, agent improves its performance. Machine learning is also part of the AI. In case of the machine learning, various product recommendations and traffic predictions are possible using this machine learning techniques. It is a subset of artificial intelligence that figures the things from data and helps to make decisions and deliver AI applications. Next one is deep learning. Image classification and photo descriptions are some examples of deep learning. For example, to identify what is cat, what is dog, in case of the given thousands of images, various deep learning techniques applied. For example, in case of the products, Walmart or any other retail products, we can identify various products, classify the category based on the images. It is a subset of machine learning based on artificial neural networks. Next one is natural language processing. Various applications like Siri, Cortana, Google Home are based on the natural language processing. NLP is used to understand and process the human language and documents. After obtaining the artificial intelligence skills, people can apply for AI and machine learning engineer roles. Next skill is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the hard demanding skill in 2021. Small businesses can expand their business with cloud computing even in pandemic and survive. How they can expand? They can set up the online stores. No need to set up the physical stores, and they can simply procure cloud services and set up their portal and do the business. Similarly, people can connect from anywhere and business can expand using the various cloud services. For example, online meetings, online work, online schools, everything is possible remotely using virtual private network and other cloud services. Businesses can survive even in case of the pandemic, like COVID pandemic. Various data modernization and digital transformation engagements are possible with the cloud computing. In case of the data modernization, lift and shift, only the existing applications will be migrated. Our data will be migrated to the cloud. Similarly, in case of the digital transformation, applications will be rewritten from the scratch in the cloud. There are three major cloud providers. One is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Second one is Microsoft Azure, and third one is Google GCP, Google Cloud Computing. Next one is React.js and Java. Using React and Java, various mobile applications can be developed like Android and iOS applications. Various online delivery curbside pickup applications are developed. Digital education and online portals. It is all possible using various React.js and Java skills. IoT applications also used various React.js and Java skills to develop various front-end dashboards. Similarly, freelancing opportunities are possible if they once we learn the native React.js and Java. This is one of the top demand skill. Apart from these six skills, there are also other skills like blockchain technology and CI/CD Kubernetes. They are also and data warehousing. They are also going to be in demand in 2021. So once native React.js and Java skills are obtained, people can get the mobile application developer or kind of roles in IT industry. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share for more future videos. Thank you.